Page number 110. Okay. Question number 1 we have done in previous class. Okay, we'll do it quick. We'll do this one also. Page number 109, 110. Question number 1. Laksh, my first question is to you. Read question number 1 and tell me what all things are given. Fast. A bus starting from rest moves with uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square for 2 minutes. Find the speed acquired and the distance traveled. What all things are given?
Uniform acceleration.
No, a bus starting from rest. Starting from rest means initial velocity is 0. Okay. Acceleration 0.1 meter per second square. Okay. Now time how much is given?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. So we'll convert this 2 minutes to seconds. That is 120 seconds.
120.
Okay. We have to find a speed acquired. What does it mean, Manav? क्या find करना है?
मैम स्पीड
स्पीड मतलब क्या? सिंबलिक फॉर्म में क्या है?
Distance. Distance or displacement.
ये नहीं, ए पार्ट में स्पीड. स्पीड का मतलब सिंबल्स में क्या फाइंड करना है? v.
मैम
We have
yes
to
मैम
b. Okay. In part b we have to find s. Okay. So we'll first of all write all the three equations. V equals to u plus at, s equals to ut plus half at square, and v square minus u square equals to 2as. After that, whatever we know, we'll cut from this. हमको क्या क्या पता है? u, a और t. u, a और t. Okay. u, a. So we can use first equation to find v, because in this only one quantity is unknown. So v equals to u plus at. U is 0, a is 0.1 and t is 120. 120 into 0.1 is 12. So 12 meter per second is the answer of first part. For second one, we can use second equation for s, because in that also one unknown quantity is there, s. So s equals to ut plus half at square. I am doing fast this question because we have already done this question in previous class, isn't it?
yes मैम
So 0.1 into 120 into 120. Okay. So this will be that is equal to 720 is the answer. Okay.
Yes.
Now coming to question number 2. A train is traveling at a speed of 90 kilometers per hour. What is this? क्या दे रखा है ये? Okay.
मैम
स्पीड दे रखी है, लेकिन इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है या फाइनल वेलोसिटी है उसके बाद का पढ़ेंगे तो हमें जाएगा. Brakes are applied so as to produce a uniform acceleration of 0.5 meter per second square. Find how far the train will go before it is brought to rest. मतलब फाइनल वेलोसिटी तो इसकी 0 हो रही है क्योंकि ये रेस्ट पे आ रही है. तो ये वाली कौन सी है? इनिशियल वेलोसिटी. 90 kilometers per hour is initial velocity. Final velocity is 0. Acceleration is 0.5 meter per second square. 90 kilometers per hour will convert to meter per second by multiplying by 5 into 18. So that will be, what it will be? 90 into 5.
25.
25. Okay. So it will be 25 meters per second. Okay. Now we have to find distance. How far the train will go. So S we have to find. Okay. Now already T is also not given and S we have to find. So we'll think now which equation to use. V equals to U plus AT.
मैम
S equals to UT plus half AT square. And V square minus U square equals to 2AS. V, U and Y are known. Yes.
थर्ड वन
Okay. V, U and A are known. So only S is unknown here. Okay. So we'll use third one. V square minus U square equals to 2AS. V is 0, A is 0.5,
90.
sorry, U is 0.5, sorry, U is 25, na? 25 square, 2 into A is 0.5 and S we have to find. Okay. अब एक्सीलरेशन, यहाँ पे एक चीज और ध्यान रखना है, जब भी बॉडी किसी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी से चल रही है और फाइनल वेलोसिटी उससे भी कम है तो एक्सीलरेशन हमेशा नेगेटिव होगा. ठीक है, जब कोई बॉडी किसी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी से चल रही है, ठीक है, दिस इज द इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज 0, सो एक्सीलरेशन विल बी नेगेटिव. जब भी वेलोसिटी कम हो जाती है तो एक्सीलरेशन नेगेटिव होगा. सो ओके, सो दिस इज minus 0.5 and S, so this is minus 625, 2 into 0.5 is 1, this and this cancel, S equals to 625 meters. This will be the answer. Okay. Yes, any doubt?
Ma'am,
A trolley, while going down an inclined plane, has an acceleration of 2 centimeter per second square. What will be its velocity after 3 seconds after the start? ठीक है, तो एक ट्रॉली है जो मूविंग डाउन, एक्सीलरेशन दे रखा है, उसका एक्सीलरेशन है 2 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. ठीक है, व्हाट विल बी द वेलोसिटी 3 seconds after the start? V equals to 3 seconds. We can take initial velocity 0, okay, and final velocity we have to find. Okay, now which equation we will use? V is equal to U plus AT. We have
yes,
to,
ma'am.
okay, U is 0, A is 2 into 3, so it will be 6 centimeter per second. We have to check the unit of acceleration. Acceleration की unit अगर सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड है तो यहाँ पे वेलोसिटी की यूनिट भी, ये एक्सीलरेशन की, सॉरी, सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर है तो ये सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड आएगी. यूनिट कैसे डिसाइड होती है? एक्सीलरेशन की यूनिट क्या है? सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. टाइम की यूनिट क्या है? सेकेंड. ये सेकेंड और ये सेकेंड कैंसल, यूनिट क्या हो जाएगी? सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. A racing,
Ma'am, I have to copy that.
you have to copy. Okay, okay, I am waiting for you. You can. A racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second square. So acceleration is given 4 meter per second square. What distance will it cover in 10 seconds after start? Okay, we can take U as 0. ठीक है, आफ्टर स्टार्ट तो हमेशा एज्यूम कर रहे हैं वो स्टार्ट 0 से स्टार्ट हुई है. बेसिकली इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम रेस्ट, वी आर एज्यूमिंग, एंड इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज 0, टाइम इज 10 seconds, and we have to find distance S. Okay, so we find that which equation to use. We'll write all the equations. V equals to U plus AT, S equals to UT plus half AT square, and V square minus U square equals to 2AS. Okay, we'll cut down.
First.
Okay, A, U and T, we have to find S. हमको find S
Yes.
करना. A, U, T given है. ठीक है, A,
Yes, ma'am.
T given है. A, U, T. तो कौन सी इक्वेशन यूज करेंगे S फाइंड करने के लिए?
Ma'am, second one.
Second one. S equals to UT plus half AT square. When we cut, we should know that only one variable should be left. जहाँ पे सिर्फ एक unknown quantity बची है, हम वो वाली equation use करेंगे. So we could have used this one also and this one also, but as we have to find S, we'll be using second one. U is 0 plus, so I am not writing T because 0 into anything is 0, into 4 into 10 into 10. So it is 2. It is 200 meters. S is 200 meters. This is the answer.